All right, we're gonna go pick up the battery for the Miata, and hopefully it starts because it didn't start last time after I did the alternator and some other things. So we're gonna see what we can make work. All right, we're back at the storage unit, and let's set this down. There she is. That did not work. Oh well. So now it's time for the new battery, or not even the new battery, just I had to go get the other one charged. And hopefully it'll run. But as you can see, the battery acid got spilled from the last one, got a lot of corrosion in there. This is all just a mess in here. Needs to get cleaned up. Gonna remove all this carpeting. Gonna change up a lot about this car. So it's gonna be like 5 minutes and we'll get started on that. That's annoying. But oh well. Well, we just got the battery sitting in there now, so. All right, so we've got this here, a positive. And we got this here, a negative. And as you can see, I do have extenders on my battery cables, so I can pull them out just a little bit more than normal. Let's see if she'll start. This is a fresh alternator, and yes, I know this thing is, I just started throwing stuff in it whenever I moved in here because I was working on a different car. So let's see what happens. Okay, so that belt's not happy, but she starts. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna just disconnect that so the battery doesn't go dead. I don't wanna drop those in there. And then we're gonna pop the hood and kind of take a look and see what's happening. I left it popped. Also, I've been laying some coats to cover some of the rock chips on here, and I did not prep it nearly properly enough, but it'll look good enough for just driving around. This is gonna be a more race car than show car, that's for sure. That smells so bad. I think it might just be the fact that I need to tighten up this belt a little bit more. I think this belt might be loose. I will get back with you guys in a little while. Okay, well I didn't film it, but you can kind of see there's still some, well, maybe you can't see, but something's going on. My belt's slipping bad, or it's squealing really bad. What you did here. And it's causing the alternator pulley to get super hot, like it burnt me just now. I was just trying to adjust it while it was running. So I'm not sure what's going on with that, so I'm just gonna have to take everything down and redo it later. And just readjust everything. I think the alternator might be out of alignment. I'm not really sure what's going on with it. but I've got some other stuff I got to take care of today. So we'll see.